Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Calculus problems like this rate of change question look intimidating, but you can solve them in 60 seconds by following these 3 simple steps right now. To find the rate of change of volume, we apply the chain rule. We need the derivative of volume with respect to radius multiplied by the rate of change of radius. Now, differentiate the volume function with respect to r. Use the product rule on the radius squared and the trigonometric term, applying the chain rule again for the inner function. Finally, plug in the radius of 2.7 and the rate of 0.75. Calculate the result to find the instantaneous rate of change of volume. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid skipping the chain rule or product rule. Always use exact values and check units.